Hi, this is Natalie speaking, Product Manager for Low Vision at HumanWare. I would like to introduce you to some new features in Prodigy 4.3 using the Connect 12. I already showed you that it was possible to navigate with the tile option. So there we have it. If you want to go into the apps to use it right away, I invite you to tap on the bottom left icon, which is apps. By pressing search, you can search with a keyboard to look for any apps you want. Or if you tap on show all, you will have the complete list of apps that are available. To go into one app, simply tap on it. Let's tap on Chrome. And right away we're button through into Google Chrome. To go back to Prodigy, press the circle at the bottom of the tablet. Let's go back to the carousel by tapping on the arrow at the top left corner. And here we are back in the carousel. If you tap on the arrow to have the next page, you will have access to more quick access to apps. As you can see, I already put quick access to Google because I use it quite often. But let's add more quick access. So simply tap on the add icon. Again, you can search with the keyboard, or you can tap on show all to have a list of all of the application. So let's include Chrome. You see Chrome is already added. Show all. Let's add another one. Let's add Play Store. There you have it. And if you had an extra one, you will have another page of extra quick access. If you want to delete one, you tap on it, hold it, and at the top you can press delete. And there you have it, it's deleted. Enjoy!